everyone, welcome back to my channel Oral Health Management by Dr. Alka Khade. Today we will discuss about the tooth atresion. Tooth atresion is the loss of tooth structure or tissue caused by tooth-on-tooth contact. Although this type of tooth wear is considered as a normal aging process, the more rapid tooth atresion caused due to the larger dental problems. Over time, if left untreated, it can result in wear of tooth enamel and that exposes the inside dentine that is very sensitive. That leads to the sensitivity and cavities.
Now we'll see the causes of dental atresion. The most common cause of dental atresion is bruxism. That is a grinding and clenching of the teeth that occurs during sleep, usually due to muscle hypertonicity or tension. Bruxism can lead to other health problems such as sleep apnea and TM joint disorders, that is a temporomandibular joint that helps in opening and closing the mouth. The another cause of dental atresion is bite misalignment. If your teeth are not aligned properly, they could be rubbing together. Over time, the surface of one tooth can start to wear away the tooth surface and enamel of the other. If not treated early on, the damaged tooth enamel can start to accumulate bacterial deposits and lead to cavities as well as tooth sensitivity and pain. Now we'll see about the signs of dental atresion. In addition to tooth sensitivity and decay, other signs and symptoms of dental atresion that includes: number 1, changes in tooth shape. Number 2, loss of tooth structure. Number 3, tooth pain. Number 4, sore gums. Number 5, tooth discoloration. And number 6 is damage to dental fillings and restoration. Now we will see the treatment part, how to treat atresion and prevent further damage. Depending on the cause of dental atresion, there are various treatment options. The most commonly is dental atresion treatment will involve a combination of orthodontic treatment to fix tooth alignment. Example, clear aligners, dental restorations to fix damaged teeth, and treatment for bruxism, that is wearing a night guard at night time. Now we'll talk about the symptoms of dental atresion. In addition to tooth decay and increased dental sensitivity, the symptoms and sign of dental atresion may also include sore or tender gums, loss of teeth structure including flattening and thinning of the teeth, an increase in dental pain due to the loss of enamel layer, damage or failure of prior dental treatments. As a result of the loss of enamel and exposure of the dentine layer causes tooth discoloration. The patient always asks, how do you prevent atresion? Reducing the intake of carbohydrate drinks and juices with very high level of acidity is the key to preventing atresion of the teeth. Tooth brushing should be avoided immediately after consuming acidic drinks and meals for about 20 minutes. The acid present in these drinks softens the enamel of your teeth, making it susceptible to damage from brushing. Toothbrush should be held using a pen grip, whereas vigorous horizontal scrubbing action and a hard toothbrush should be avoided. Teeth should not be used as tools to hold or grip items. Long-term use of tongue jewelry and mouth piercing should also be avoided. Different kinds of toothpaste carry different level of abrasiveness. Whilst abrasive helps to remove tooth stains, but they may also contribute to tooth wear. People who are concerned about tooth wear should seek a less abrasive fluoride toothpaste. Fluoride in toothpaste also helps to combat tooth wear. Teeth have to put up with all sorts of things in form of food every day. Too much pressure on teeth can lead to dental damage in the form of dental atresion or abrasion. The teeth enamel may wear down and may make the teeth weak.
So friend, I always used to say prevention is always better than cure. If you are having a problem like atresion, so visit your dentist immediately. He will find out the solution. See you soon with the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you.